Being involved in a car accident can turn your entire day upside down in just seconds. Your commute stops, your plans are ruined, and suddenly you're stuck on the side of the road, shaken and unsure what to do next. But a car accident is more than an inconvenience. If you or a family member is injured, it can seriously impact your health, your finances, and ruin your daily life. I'm New Jersey injury lawyer Howard Lesnik, and here are the most common questions people ask me after a car accident and what you need to know. Should I call the police? Yes, in New Jersey, you're required by law to report a motor vehicle accident. Leaving the scene or failing to report it, even if it wasn't your fault, can result in summonses, fines, and a mandatory court appearance. If anyone is injured, tell the dispatcher immediately to request an ambulance if needed. If you're able, exchange license and insurance information and take photos, especially of the other car and the license plate. When the police arrive, tell them exactly what happened and don't expect the other driver to always be honest and tell the truth. If the other driver apologized or said sorry, tell the police officer so that gets into the police report. Should I go to the hospital or see a doctor? If you're injured at the scene, accept medical treatment. Don't refuse an ambulance if one is offered. Some injuries don't show up right away. Pain, stiffness, headaches, or numbness can appear hours, days, or even weeks later. Waiting too long to see a doctor can seriously hurt your case. Insurance companies love to argue, if you were really injured, you would have gone sooner. Medical records are how injuries are proven. Follow your doctor's advice, go to your appointments, complete therapy if it's recommended. Missed appointments give insurance companies ammunition to deny or reduce your claim. Who pays my medical bills? In most cases, your own auto insurance pays your medical bills through personal injury protection or PIP. That's true even if the accident wasn't your fault. You may still be covered if you are a passenger, don't own a car, or live with someone who does. PIP rules are very complicated and mistakes can delay or deny benefits. What if the other driver has no insurance? Unfortunately, it happens more than you'd think. New Jersey requires auto insurance, but many drivers are uninsured or underinsured. That's why policies include uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, known as UM or UIM. If the other driver who hit you has no insurance or not enough, you can still recover compensation through your own policy. This is why buying minimal coverage is also risky. Saving a few dollars now can severely limit what you can recover if you're injured. How much is my case worth? Every case is different. Value depends on things like the severity of your injuries, medical treatment, surgery, time missed from work, and lasting pain and limitations. Fault matters too. If you're responsible for the accident, you may not be able to recover compensation under New Jersey law. How long does a case take? Most cases can't be settled until medical treatment is complete. This allows your lawyer to fully document your injuries and damages. In New Jersey, you generally have 2 years from the date of the accident to resolve your claim or file a lawsuit. Filing a lawsuit does not mean your case will go to trial. Many cases settle before that point. Preparation is the key. A well-prepared case has leverage whether negotiating or going to trial. How much does a New Jersey injury lawyer cost? I offer free strategy sessions. There's no fee unless you get a recovery. You don't pay out of pocket. There are no expenses until your case settles. If you or a family member were injured in an accident, don't guess your way through the process. Contact New Jersey injury lawyer Howard Lesnik today.